At Age Rejuvenation, we also have a lot of interest about sexual health. And part of that is erectile dysfunction in men. And so we have various treatment programs available to men to be able to enhance their physical abilities. We all know that hormones play a key role in enhancing both male and female's libido. But when it becomes a physical problem, then we can enhance that using various products. One of which uses a pulse frequency device that can help improve blood flow and sensitivity. Another way that we can also improve blood flow and sensitivity is through injection therapy to be able to create a higher level of vascularity or increasing arterial blood volume and maintain erections for a longer time period and to enhance their sensitivity. Some of the other products that we use orally for the same purpose, but sometimes they've already tried those and they didn't get the benefit, or they had other side effects like headaches or nausea or dizziness. And so we use other products that help to increase blood volume or blood flow, because that is the mechanism or physical trait of erections that men need to be able to establish. But they also need vasoconstriction in order to maintain an erection for performance. So the idea would be using oral medications that directly target that. They're called nitric oxide boosters, as well as using other medications like hormones to effectively change their performance.